Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Craig Smith from Europa Property Magazines, and we just finished one of our biggest events ever, the CEE Investment Awards here in Warsaw, Poland at the Intercontinental Hotel. Over 300 people. We gave away 34 awards. Big winners of the night were Atrium, were Atrium Real Estate, were Global Worth, were CBRE, Global Investors, many other ones. Great evening. They're just going to start the band right now and the other music. We've also got the whiskey and the cognac and the cigar bars. They're all going to start happening now. The band's going to be playing in just a second, so it's going to get pretty loud. And I think the event's going to go all night, so we'll probably be done about 3 in the morning. But we hope to see you next year, October 24th, right here, 2019. Done.